Something interesting is happening in the crypto world right now, and it raises a big question about the future of Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin supposed to be money that people spend every day? Or is it turning into something more like digital gold? When Bitcoin was first introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto, the vision described in the white paper was peer-to-peer electronic cash. The idea was simple but revolutionary, a form of money that could move directly between people anywhere in the world, without banks, governments, or middlemen. Fast forward to today, and the conversation has shifted. Large institutions, investment funds, and major crypto platforms increasingly describe Bitcoin as digital gold. What does that actually mean? Gold isn't something people use to buy coffee or groceries. Instead, people hold gold as a store of value, something you keep over time to protect your wealth. That's the same narrative many investors now use for Bitcoin. In this view, Bitcoin becomes a global reserve asset, something governments, companies, and individuals hold for the long term, not something you swipe for everyday purchases. And there's a reason this idea has gained momentum. Institutional investors are much more comfortable buying an asset that acts like gold than they are supporting a new global payment system that might challenge traditional finance. If Bitcoin becomes digital gold, it fits neatly into the existing financial world. It becomes another asset class, alongside stocks, bonds, and commodities. But not everyone agrees with that direction. Many Bitcoin supporters still believe the original vision was about creating a new form of money, a currency people could actually use in daily life. To support that vision, technologies like the Lightning Network have been developed. Lightning is designed to make Bitcoin payments instant and extremely cheap, so people can send small amounts of Bitcoin as easily as sending a text message. Some places are already experimenting with this idea. In El Salvador, for example, Bitcoin has even been adopted as legal tender, and Lightning payments are used in some shops and businesses. So right now, Bitcoin sits at a crossroads. One path turns it into the world's hardest digital asset, a kind of internet gold that institutions accumulate and hold. The other path pushes it toward becoming a global payment network where anyone, anywhere can send money instantly without relying on banks. And the truth is, both futures could happen at the same time. Bitcoin's base layer might become the ultimate settlement network and store of value, while second-layer technologies handle everyday transactions. In other words, Bitcoin might become both digital gold and digital cash. The big question is, which vision will dominate and who gets to decide? The institutions, the developers, or the millions of people around the world who simply want a better form of money? Because the future of Bitcoin may not just be about technology or investment. It may be about redefining what money itself really is.